Hello everybody and welcome to another West Coast Croppers video. We are opening up today the Mars Hydro SP6500 we got in the mail. We did purchase this. We couldn't expect Mars Hydro to give us this expensive light. It is one of their newest lights. I'm sure everybody's seen it online. If you haven't seen it online, well, thanks for stopping in and checking it out with us. But as you can see, it's got the Inventronics, not the Meanwhile, but an Inventronics driver. It is, I believe this is a 650 watt light. And Inventronics, I believe, is one of the top 3 from what I've read online for as far as drivers go. Meanwhile's up there, Inventronics, and I don't remember what the third one is, but it is a good make. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to pull this out of the box, put it up on the table here, and kind of see everything we got. And I know it does come with a user manual. We already know how to use this. As you know, we use lots of Mars Hydro lights. But it did come with, you can see it's got the daisy chain here, so we can use this as a master controller. There's your wire for it. There's a couple ratchet straps and the hanger hooks. And I'm just gonna pull everything else out in here. Those scissors didn't come with the light. We'll use that to open it up. But just bear with me for a sec. I'm gonna pop this out of the box and get right back to you. All right, I've gone and taken everything out of the box, and you can see all the parts that we've got. Got ourselves one user manual, one daisy chain wire. You're able to hook up to 20 lights or something like that with using one controller. Daisy chain to the next one, to the next one, to the next one. And then you have control with just one knob, which makes life way easier if you're running a whole bunch of lights. We got 2 hangers that are going to go one on each end of the light. 2 ratchet straps as well. They sent us another little sticker board here with a whole bunch of slaps for our tents, and probably some to give away because we have a bunch of these already. And but here's the light. Look at that. That is a lot of LEDs. And I think this thing is going to be super bright. And we're super eager. Let's take a look at that there. What does that say? My house in the background there. Up to what? 2.8 U-moles it says, 650 watts. Well, I can't wait to see how good this does in our tent. We're just gonna have to order up a 5x5, I believe, because this thing says it covers a 3x5 foot area, and I'm sure it does. So we want to buy a 5x5 tent, get it set up. We'll probably build a 3x5 scrog net in this one. We don't usually scrog, but we probably will scrog with this one just to try something different, switch it up, because I know everybody doesn't grow the same way. So let's try some different techniques, and then we'll net that in, and we'll see what we can pull from this 650 watt light with 3x5 foot grow space. Pardon me there, getting all flustered with my words. That's a look at the light. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna throw it in my 5x5 tent that I have right now, just so you guys can see how bright this sucker is, because I haven't even seen how bright this sucker is, so stay tuned. All right, well, that's what it looks like inside of our tent. We just hung it in the other tent for now. This is our tent that we got the SP3000s in, and this is the SP6500. Holy jeez, that thing's bright. But just wanted to show you what it looks like. Lights up that area pretty good. That's full. That's on full wattage right there. Let's see what happens when we go down. That's the lowest wattage. So you can do a full grow out of it, right from ceiling to end. Obviously you can just dim it down for your ceilings. You don't want to be blasting 650 watts at a couple ceilings, but you could if you wanted to. I wouldn't recommend it. And then crank it back up when you're done. Look at those. Look at those ones compared to those ones. There's a lot more diodes on there. Let's see if we can get this right. Get the infrareds on there. It's hard to tell what that one's. Oh, there's a purple one. Purple one. It's got your reds, you got your infrareds, UV lights, all that good stuff in there. Of course, we got the enhancer. We always got the enhancer in all our tents. If you don't know us by now, of course we're rocking that stuff. You know now. All right, that's a look at it, guys. Be sure to stay tuned, because we're going to order ourselves another tent, a 5x5. This is a 4x4, so it says we can go a little wider. And we're going to light it up and see how good we can produce with this Mars Hydro SP6500.